Where do you want to start?
Everyone loves great TV,
This is great, isn't it?
but it's still frustrating when you miss something. And it's never quite the same on a computer.
I'll soon fix that.
Imagine enjoying every moment all on your own TV.
Everything is going to be different.
We're a group of companies already famous for unmissable TV and great broadband. Together we're going to change TV forever. Introducing YouView. YouView brings you all your favorite digital TV channels and adds the best catch-up TV services.
Progress.
That means while normal TV guides only show you what's on now or later, the YouView guide will also go back in time, so you can watch what was on yesterday or even last week.
It's such a breakthrough.
You'll also be able to watch in high definition.
This is nice.
And you can pause and rewind live TV. Plus, there'll be a huge choice of on-demand pay TV, including films, sports, and US drama.
It's what the people want.
But this is just the beginning. You'll get all kinds of content through YouView from all sorts of providers. And once developers start creating apps, who knows what your TV could do? All you'll need is your TV and broadband, plus a YouView box.
Was that a dream, or did that just happen?
The programs you love, ready and waiting, whenever you want them. YouView. It will change the way you watch TV forever.